Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to bake delicious oatmeal cookies. First, let's gather all our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter, along with 1 cup each of granulated and brown sugar. Don't forget 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the dry ingredients, have 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 3 cups of rolled oats. Optional additions like chocolate chips or raisins are a wonderful touch. Now let's create that perfect cookie dough. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter with both the granulated and brown sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing on low speed until everything is just combined, being careful not to overmix. It's time to bake those wonderful cookies. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line your baking sheets with parchment paper. Using a spoon or a small scoop, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto the prepared sheets, making sure to leave about 2 inches of space between each cookie. Bake them for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges turn a beautiful golden brown and the centers are set. Let them cool on the baking sheets for 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. Here are a few tips to ensure your oatmeal cookies are absolutely delicious every time. Remember not to overmix the dough once you've added the flour. This helps keep your cookies tender and chewy. Using room temperature butter and eggs is crucial for a smooth, consistent dough. For an even better texture, try chilling your dough in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before baking. Once baked, store your delightful oatmeal cookies in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.